Hi everyone and welcome back to this Python tutorial series for beginners, and in this video we would learn how you can write into files. So let's say that you want to create a very basic text entry program where a user just writes something and it is written into the text file. So let's do that. Let's say user input is equal to input, and we'll say enter your message that you wish to save, and then we open the file. So we'll say with open, and now again we need to give the relative path. If you're lazy, you can just copy the relative path from here, otherwise it's pretty easy to understand what the relative path is. And then you need to specify the mode. And since we're writing, we have two options. We can either append or we can write. First, let's start with writing with a W, and then we would move on to the modes like A+. So first I'm opening it with W, and I'll say as file dot write user input. So now before I run it, I'll have to change the slash because this is what Windows uses, but in programming this will just cause errors, so I'll have to use this slash. And let me run it now. Enter your message to save. Hello, this is a test message. And now if I see data.txt, it has been changed and it says hello, this is a test message. So everything works perfectly. Now let's say you do not want to overwrite the file, but you want to add to the end of it. So we can just change the mode to A, and now it will just add to the end of it. So hello, and this would be added now. But the problem is that it's being merged into one line. So we have a very simple solution. We can just say user input plus, now we'll specify enter key, which is \n, and Visual Studio already highlights it in a different color to tell us that this one has special importance. And I'll run it again and I'll say test, and test has been added with a \n now. Hello did not have a \n. So anything after test would be added to the next line. So test2. And you see test2 has been entered into a different line. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.